Just a few fireworks with Spencer. I don't know why he has to bring his mum and dad, look. Although, to be fair, they did bring the fireworks and the food, so we'd have gone a bit hungry. But, oh, it was great fun. He's a funny little kid. He's brilliant. I think we all had a good time, really. Just a few clips of video, that's all it is. It was great. Yeah, I'm sorry, Steve, for making you jump when you're trying to light the fireworks. So childish. Mind you, good job you didn't do it to me. I'd have had heart failure. It was really funny. We did enjoy it.
On.
Yeah, get ready.
Two.
You're going to say, yep.
One.
Calm down, Grandma. I haven't had a chance to light it yet. I don't know who more
One.
excited.
It's going to go. Watch it. Watch it, Spencer. It's going to go.
It's going.
Hey!
One.
Come on.
Two. Three.
Yeah! Wow! Look at one. Bang!
Spencer, what are you doing?
Wonder. Oh wow! Never know. Look at that. Ah. Wow! Your dad's done it. I've done this one. Yeah. Wow!
What? Look at this one. Look.
That's a nice one.
Oh, that's
Pretty.
pretty.
Pull that cover off. This cost about 30 odd pounds. No, you're alright. I'll just blame you when he comes in his house.
Ah, what's this
Watch
one?
this one go.
Watch it go. Woo! Hooray!
Got it. Well, there's a good one.
Woo! Where did that go?
Spencer, come and look.
You're going up to the sky.
Quick.
Come on, quick. It's going.
Oh, I'm ready.
That jumped out his skin. Get that light.
Oh no, oh
Here we
no.
go. This is going to be a big one.
Oh, oh, you monkey. Woo.
All of a sudden, mass panic sets in because this one were a bit more lively. I'm not joking, it were embarrassing. It were every man for himself. Steve were pushing everybody out their way to get in the house. It were ridiculous. No, it was funny though. Just made it a bit funnier.
That was fantastic.
Oh dear. I got a bit scared then.
I see the ass Oh, somebody's tickling me. Who's tickling me?
Spencer got a bit scared because there were a lot of loud bangs outside, so we had tied under the cover. And then he's creeping around, make sure there's nobody about. Look, we had to be quiet. What a funny
He's
kid.
escaped.
They were funny.
Oh,
Oh no.
What? Oh no, we're not running around.
Or even funnier, as soon as you say cheese, he pops his head out the cover look for a photo. Oh dear. Comic timing, brilliant.